Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Joining me again today is Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the Oswego County Health Department. Today I'd like to bring you up to date on where we stand with reopening the departments of county government. Our County Administrator, Phil Church, has been working with department heads on a county-wide reopening plan. The PAWS New York regulations requiring social distancing and many other requirements are still in place. Everyone entering any county facility must wear a face covering unless they are unable to due to a medical condition. This applies to members of the public and employees. Social distancing is enforced in all departments. Much of our business can be accomplished through email, by phone, mail, and transactions on the county website. Visit the county website at oswegocounty.com for more information, along with email addresses and phone numbers. Summer hours are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. weekdays. Here are the highlights of county services beginning June 1st. Appointments are required for these departments: assigned counsel, community development, tourism and planning, emergency management office, and the probation department. Appointments are encouraged for these departments: administration and county legislature offices, office for the aging, Department of Social Services, and Veterans Service Office. The Veterans Office will open June 2nd. Board of Elections, E911, and Solid Waste will continue to conduct business as usual. For the county clerk's office, all court filings should continue to be done electronically or by regular mail. The research room is open for up to 12 appointments a day. Call the clerk's office to schedule an appointment. E-recordings are encouraged, but walk-in recordings will be accepted. DBA, notary services, and pistol permits continue to be available as they have been since the beginning of the pandemic by mail, email, and phone. Passport services are suspended until further notice. DMVs will only reopen by appointment when given the green light by the governor or the state DMV commissioner. No date has been announced at this time. The Oswego County DMVs are still able to process work that is mailed or dropped off at any of the 3 DMVs via Dropbox. For the health department, all staff and visitors should enter the health department through the main entrance on the west side of the building. Childhood immunizations are available by appointment only. Call 315-349-3547 to schedule. Environmental Health will not accept private water testing until further notice. Other walk-in services will resume June 1st. Use of online services for paying fees and applications is recommended. For the Youth Bureau, Camp Hollis, and the county parks, Camp Hollis will not be residential this year. We are awaiting state approval on Camp Hollis day camp and summer daycare programs. Plans are in place to proceed with these programs when and if approval is given. Application forms and rental information for Camp Hollis can be found on the website at youthbureau.oswegocounty.com. Instructions are posted on the website for sign-up and online payments. Camp Zerby and Independence Trail are open from dawn to dusk. All of this information with details, phone numbers, and email addresses for specific programs will be posted on the county website at www.oswegocounty.com. I encourage you to visit the website frequently for updated information. Now, I will turn the program over to Diane Oldenburg for an update on testing and contact tracing. Diane?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. For today's daily report, we have a total of 5,142 tests that have been performed or scheduled. We have 100 positive test results that have come back. We have 79 residents that have recovered from COVID-19. We have 3 deaths related to COVID-19. We have 18 active positive cases of COVID-19 currently. 4,947 negative test results have been returned to the health department. And we currently have 68 residents under mandatory isolation or quarantine. We'd also like to provide some information on antibody testing. We've been working hard to be able to report this information to you. However, we've been receiving this data in batches, so at times we get nothing and other times we get several hundred results. In that several hundred pieces of information, there are often duplicate or triplicate results. So it's taken a bit of time to sift through all this data and finally be able to give you what we feel is truly an accurate picture of antibody testing in the county. It doesn't include the price chopper data that was done a month or so back. We have received to date 23 positive antibody test results and 1,035 negative antibody test results. So to talk a little bit about contact tracing, if you listened to the news recently, you have undoubtedly heard the term contact tracing. New York State is building an army of contact tracers to supplement and support local public health activities in the fight to stop the spread of COVID-19. The Oswego County Health Department has a trained and experienced team of disease investigators and contact tracers that have been working 7 days a week to combat the spread of COVID-19. Contact tracing is a core disease prevention tool used by public health for decades to help control the spread of communicable disease and is a key strategy in stopping the spread of COVID-19. In contact tracing, public health staff work with a patient that's positive for COVID-19 to help them recall everyone with whom they may have had close contact during the time frame while they may have been infectious. Public health staff then notify these exposed individuals or contacts of their potential exposure as rapidly and sensitively as possible. These trained supplemental staff have begun assisting in the notification of potential contacts across New York State. If you were listed as a potential contact, you will receive a notification via telephone, and NYS contact tracing may appear on your caller ID. This is a phone call you want to answer. This is not a scam or a fraudulent call. The contact tracer will notify you about the steps you need to take to monitor your health and prevent the spread of COVID-19. They will work with you to link you to any supports you might need during an isolation or quarantine period. It's important to know that all personal information is kept confidential. As the county continues to reopen and mitigation strategies such as stay-at-home orders or mass gathering restrictions begin to relax, the early identification and isolation of those that are infected and informing contacts becomes even more important to stop the spread of coronavirus. You and your health department have been working hard to reduce the spread of COVID-19. You've stayed home, you're wearing masks. Now we ask you to please answer the phone. Remember, we are part of the solution to stop the spread of COVID-19 and keeping Oswego County moving forward. When you see NYS contact tracing on your phone screen, please pick up and answer. This is not a scam. Thanks, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Diane. I will continue to share information as we proceed through the phases of the governor's reopening plan. Please follow the CDC's recommendations of frequent hand washing, face masking, and social distance to reduce the risk of spreading the COVID-19 virus. Please continue to refer to the county COVID-19 page and the county website at oswegocounty.com for current and credible information. Thank you for your continued patience and cooperation.